Hello everyone, this is Shubhi Vishwakarma. Hope you guys are doing well. I'm again here with the same cause. Yes, the recent corona update. With the recent decision of extending the lockdown till the 3rd of May, we are certainly stepping into the lockdown 2.0. And this time, this lockdown is going to be more severe, more disciplined, and more strict. And it had to. In the past 21 days, we have certainly learned how to stay at home. And the coming 19 days will go on. We will surely do it. I'm here not to tell you the death tolls or the worldwide unrest to make you more nervous. Today, we will try to flip the coin up and see the other side of the coronavirus. Yes, today the topic of discussion is going to be what changes has coronavirus brought into our lives, or what coronavirus has changed in this entire world. With its severe outcomes, coronavirus is turning out to be the biggest blunder or the biggest ever health crisis of this decade. We and the whole world is trying to cope up with it. We'll be discussing how coronavirus has changed our lives. Well, it has certainly did, and we are feeling it. From the clear roads, from clear rivers, from the beautiful dusk and dawn, from evenings with chirping birds all around, we are feeling that coronavirus has certainly brought the beautiful nature back. It has also changed few social or few family values back. Yes, we are more concerned towards our health, towards our family members, towards our lives, towards our families, and we are not only indulged into the world inside our pocket. Yes, that particular mobile which used to take all our time is now kept aside, and that time is given to our family members. We are feeling a sense of togetherness in terms of the fact that we are not the only nation dealing with this problem. The whole world is with us. We are more filled with a sense of gratitude for the people who are working to deal with this virus, keeping their lives in danger. Apart from all these social and family value changes, we are certainly entered into a new era of connecting with people. Yes, the virtual world, may it be the online classes, may it be the online conferences, or the term which was frequently, or some of us have been heard earlier, that was work from home, which was quite common in the IT sector or the companies who have to deal with foreign clients, is now entered into the small market, small companies. Each one of us are somehow connecting with one another with this work from home thing. This morning, I was reading few of the research or analysis work which is going on throughout the world in terms of how coronavirus has changed our lives. So I thought of recording this and telling you all. Those analysis or research works conclude that the first thing which it concludes is that the travel time which is used to be wasted is now utilized in either for conferences or for any other discussion. Sometimes the work from home is more productive, and often it's not. Sometimes we are more drowsy, keeping ourselves in our room, or sometimes we are not well into it. We are sleeping in our bed and doing work. That sometimes not work, but in much of the cases, work from home is more productive. Few of them tell that the innovative ideas or the thoughts are not that much propagated when you are working from home, but certainly we have no other option than to just work from home. From these conclusion or research work, we are somehow ourselves feeling that our lives has been changed. We are more delicate towards our elders. We are not running or racing out in the roads for our futures or for any other stuff. We are just sitting back into our houses with calm mind. Albums are coming out, old stories are being discussed in our families. We are much happier than earlier, although there is a kind of stress in each one of us that how we will deal with it. There will be financial crisis, there will be economical crisis throughout the world, in this country as well, in our businesses as well. Study is stuck in the middle of this pandemic, but we will deal with it. We are spending our summer vacations. It's more of summer vacation with a sense of pressure into up to you, but we have to do it. We have no other option than to step back into our houses and keep ourselves away from everyone. With the fact in mind that we don't have any antidote of this particular virus, we don't have any other option than stepping back into our houses and keep ourselves isolated from the outside world so that we can keep ourselves healthy as well as our family and in turn our nation healthy. We have worked as a united nation. We have dealt with it in such a manner that no other country did. We are doing so well in this field. Let's hope for the best and we will surely cope with this. Let's stay at home, fight with this pandemic so that our teas on those tea stall will get back. We will get back to our schools, our colleges, our offices with same enthusiasm that was earlier with us. We will deal with it. We will fight back to Corona. Let's hope for the best and we will surely cope with this. With this thought into mind, let me go and surely we'll meet again with another update. Thanks for watching.